most of waterfalls around Buleleng cannot be swum into. Banyumala Waterfall is another different thing. Banyumala Waterfall, situated at the end of a valley with 3 different waterfalls. The biggest and the highest waterfall located in the middle, where the lesser ones lie in between.
Ya, di sini aktivitasnya kita bisa berenang, apalagi ya trekking. Ada juga untuk jalur trekkingnya kurang lebih ditempuh 2 jam perjalanan. Kalau jalur trekkingnya kita ketemu lagi 3 air terjun dan ketemu pura Batu Kasur dan pura Tirta Kuning. Ya kalau di kawasan air terjun ini dilarang berburu dan untuk kalau berenang dilarang mandi pakai sabun di sini.
It's such a pretty challenging way to get here. From the parking lot, we still need to walk for about 100 meters. By the time we're at the entrance, a 10,000 rupiah ticket needs to be purchased as a contribution. From this point, we still need to go downstairs, where every step is the ground. Watch your step, moreover when it's raining season. Besides, you can also find a stair that's made of wood to walk across the cliff. No need to worry now, since it's pretty safe and sound. Since the waterfall situated at way down the valley, you're absolutely gonna face such steep and slippery path to go through. Walking through the pathway, crossing some bushes, as well as greens and sound of chirping birds will definitely make your weariness easy away.
Well, our driver found it straight away, and we love going to waterfalls. So in Australia, we go to a lot of waterfalls, and this was the most beautiful waterfall.
And we loved it for taking photos, very beautiful.
We had some difficulty because Cassie has a disability, but she did it. She made it, and
And there was a guide that helped us down the stairs and said to be very careful, and we went slowly and we made it.
And he just helped without being asked. He just followed us and helped us when we needed help. It was so good.
The lush and green woods bear its own beauty. Not far from there, we're also about to spot a hidden paradise that's still natural all the way, where as long as we can see is the vine plants that cover the rocks.
And feeling young again. You know you get what you give, and I wanna live. Everyone's selling some.
What's more in this waterfall is its awesome beauty, where we can enjoy more than just witnessing it. Right at the bottom of this waterfall, we can find a natural pool where we can take a plunge and swim in.
Oh, I love nature. I think our healing powers, our energy is coming from sun, moon, earth, air, and space. So I often try to visit nature to heal myself and be a better person. And it's my birthday tomorrow. So for my birthday, I always go to nature for a hike. So this was the perfect place.
Somewhere special, wanna go to that place, 'cause I believe in the other.
I enjoyed the walk down here, and we visited the other waterfall, and I came here for meditation and yoga, and that was really nice. Even though it rained, it was beautiful to just do a standing meditation and look at the fall. And yeah, it's beautiful for swimming. It's very quiet, so you get the time in peace.
With 2 meters depth and about 20 meters diameter of the pool, there are plenty of rooms for everyone who visits. This place also suits everyone who loves to take some selfies, since all we can see are awesome spots to take as many pictures as we can. At the end, happy holiday and enjoy Bali!